Hello everyone, today's menu will be cinnamon apple. This delicious dessert is burst with fall flavors and you'll be reaching for more. So, if you're ready, let's get baking. Let's go over the ingredients. Pumpkin puree, apple pie filling, cinnamon rolls, and ground cinnamon. I'm just cutting up my cinnamon rolls in 2/4, but of course you can cut them into half or even smaller depending on how you like them. I just love some cinnamon rolls, especially when they are nice and warm. That's just like the best. Okay, and then I'm just going to set these aside until ready to use. In my large bowl, I'm going to add in the apple filling. Just a tad bit more. There we go. And then also my pumpkin puree. And then also some ground cinnamon. And then I'm just going to give it a toss to combine everything well. This already looks so good. Okay, this looks good. Okay, now I'm going to toss in the cinnamon rolls back in. And then I'm just going to give it a slight coat. Okay, this looks good. Okay, here in my 2-quart casserole, I already sprayed some olive oil to grease the side and the bottom, just so it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to dump in the mixture that we made. Okay. And then I'm just going to smooth them out a little bit. I'm so excited. Okay, so now this is ready to go into the oven. Once it's nice and cool, you just want to drizzle, or if you want, you can go ahead and just spread your icing right on top. Here is the end results of the cinnamon apple. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.